Hello everyone! Do you think that coding and programming is very difficult and inaccessible? But no, in this video I will give you the best resources and tips to learn easily, quickly and wisely coding and programming. Watch this video fully. Are you ready? Let's go!
Coding might seem complicated, but the truth is, anyone can learn it. The key is finding the right resources that match your learning style and goals. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to start coding and improve your skills easily using online courses. To get started, we can talk about free resources. One of the best ways to start coding is with free interactive platforms. Websites like TutorialsPoint offer free courses and built-in compilers, so you can practice coding instantly. No downloads, no setup, just start coding and see results immediately. Secondly, if you prefer video-based learning, YouTube is a goldmine. I highly recommend the Edureka channel. They provide complete tutorials, including full-length coding courses lasting several hours. It's like having a free programming bootcamp at your fingertips. Next, talk about certified online courses for career growth. For those who want structured learning and industry-recognized certificates, FutureLearn's short courses are an excellent choice. While these courses are paid, they offer top-quality content from prestigious institutions. With an annual subscription, you get access to over 1,000 courses and certificates that employers recognize. Before to start coding online courses, it's important to talk about 3 crucial points. 1. The right mindset for learning. Coding. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to learn too many languages at once. The key to success is focusing on one language at a time and building a strong foundation. Master the basics, then move on to more complex topics step by step. Stay patient and consistent, and you'll see real progress. 2. Best beginner-friendly programming languages. Choosing the right programming language is crucial for beginners. If you're just starting, Python is a great choice because it's simple and widely used. JavaScript is another fantastic option, especially if you want to build websites. If you're interested in app development, Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android are great places to start. Lastly, advantages and limitations of these resources. Online courses and tutorials are fantastic for learning the basics and getting hands-on experience with coding. They allow you to learn at your own pace and build real-world skills. However, to truly master coding, you need to apply your knowledge by working on projects. If you plan to pursue a career in tech, consider earning a professional certificate or even a degree to validate your skills. I've covered this topic in depth in my previous 3 videos. To conclude this video, the best way to learn coding is to combine different methods. Use free resources for quick practice, watch YouTube tutorials for in-depth explanations, and take certified courses to build a strong foundation. Most importantly, apply what you learn through real projects. Ready to start your coding journey? Visit E-newcademy today and explore top-quality online courses from trusted partners. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, we've got the right course for you. Start learning now.